If you got terminated from your current employer or your previous organization, you are in critical situation. You know, right, how they are doing the background verifications. If you want to hide the company, nowadays it will be very challenged because people are doing the background verification in smarter way. Okay. If you got terminated from your job, okay, so this is the video. If you are looking for solution for your termination, absolutely there is no solution because it will be very easy to remove your company name from your resume. However, you cannot remove from your PF account. You cannot remove, you cannot edit, you cannot do anything in the PF account. That is true. Okay. In future employer, based on background verification, if you hide your terminated organization, they will identify easily just 2 to 3 minutes. The easy parameters are available based on your PAN number, Aadhaar, UAN number. These 3 parameters, fair enough to identify the hidden companies or your past experience, past working companies details. Okay. So coming to solution. So you need to do some actions in order to come out this problem. Usually there is no solution if you got terminated from your organization. If you got absconded, there might be a chance you can interact with your previous employer, you can write apologies mail and get the relieving letter. That is different. Absconding is different. But termination, why they are terminating? Usually if you mislead, if you misbehave, or if you submit any fake experience, there might be a chance they will terminate you. Why they are terminating? Please understand, usually no organization will terminate you because wantedly no one will spoil your life. If you misbehave in extreme level, then only they will terminate you, which means you cannot move to different organization. That is almost close to your black mark. Okay. So what you need to do to switch your job if you have termination history? Okay. So overall you need to do 4 actions. Completely I did some analysis. Okay, live experience, I did some live research and then identified these things. Definitely this will work 100%. Okay, so please listen these 4 tricks carefully. Action number 1,